Right now at 6, new research is revealing that the Latino community was disproportionately affected during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Levy.
And I'm Juliana Ferrari. Because of that, the local Latino community is now speaking out about the research that they conducted regarding inequalities faced during the pandemic. NBC24's Sutton Donovan is joining us live now with more details on those inequalities and how the community hopes to fix them.
Aaron, Juliana, Nuestra Gente community projects researched and found that in Lucas County, while Latinos make up 7% of the population, they also had over 5% of COVID cases and hospitalizations. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, the Latino population in Lucas County found themselves up against barriers that they struggled to work past.
The impact on COVID to our Latino community was significant.
Number one is the language barrier. Number two is the insurance.
Those two barriers left reverberating impacts in the community during the pandemic.
Because the lack of communication in Spanish, and also the lack of access to the health services.
Seeing the effects, Nuestra Gente community projects researched the impact of COVID-19 on the Latino community in Lucas County in order to shine light on how they were disproportionately affected. It's an impact the community is still feeling to this day. For example, one community member just had a kidney transplant due to effects from COVID-19.
So this is one case that we had close to us because it's the wife of one of our volunteers, but we can imagine how many cases are in our Latino community because of the effects of COVID-19.
Now with the current rise of COVID-19, the flu, and RSV, Nuestra Gente community projects hopes by showing how they were affected during the pandemic, it can better prepare the community for the future when it comes to future illnesses and the need for information.
Communication is the key. Those forming of those partnerships is a key prior to issues. And we thought we had pretty good partnerships. But it wasn't until COVID hit and then we kind of knew where these deficiencies were that we were able then to support.
Leaders also hope this research will help showcase how agencies within Lucas County can work together in the future to help all communities be on the same playing field.
Let's work all together to provide Latinos, and not only Latinos, I would say other non-English-speaking communities. Let's help them.
The health department said this research will help prepare the community for how to respond best when the next illness comes. Reporting live in Toledo, Sutton Donovan, NBC24 News.